The audio clip you just heard at the beginning of this video is completely fake. I never actually spoke those words into a microphone. The neural network at ElevenLabs generated that entire sentence entirely on its own. Today, we are going to expose the absolute truth about ElevenLabs Professional Voice Cloning. A lot of people still believe that AI voices sound like a lifeless, robotic assistant that will instantly destroy your YouTube channel. They are absolutely right, especially if you are using cheap or free text-to-speech software. But the professional voice cloning tier is a completely different story. This specific technology literally stole my voiceover job, but it also saved me dozens of hours of frustrating work every single week. In this video, I'm going to let you hear the exact difference between my real, human voice and the AI clone. But more importantly, I'm going to reveal exactly why 90% of you watching this should not upgrade to the paid version yet. If you are a content creator, a course builder, or a video marketer, you know this nightmare all too well. You sit down to record a script, and everything immediately goes wrong. You stumble over your words constantly. Your throat gets sore after just 20 minutes of speaking. Random outside traffic noise ruins your absolute best take. You end up spending 3 exhausting hours just to record and edit a simple 10-minute script. It completely drains your creative energy before you even open your video editing software. And worse, the language barrier is locking your content in a tiny geographical box. Your channel could potentially multiply its viewership if you translated your content into Spanish, Japanese, or French. But you obviously do not speak all of those languages. Hiring professional voice actors on freelance platforms for every single video is incredibly expensive and simply not sustainable for most creators. You are leaving a massive amount of opportunity on the table just because of where you live. Unlike the basic instant voice cloning feature, which only needs a few seconds of audio, professional voice cloning requires a much deeper process. You have to upload highly clean studio-quality audio samples of your voice without any background noise or music. It takes a bit more effort up front because the AI is building a complex acoustic model of your specific vocal cords. Listen closely to this first sample, which is the AI speaking in English. Now, listen to how the exact same clone sounds when I ask it to speak in fluent Spanish. And finally, pay attention to the cadence when it generates French. It does not just translate the words mechanically. It keeps the exact tone, the slight pauses, the natural breathing, and the unique emotional cadence of my actual voice. This is the most powerful and disruptive feature of ElevenLabs. It captures the human element that other software tools completely miss. It sounds magical, but here is the exact reason I told you to wait before buying it. The process to create a true professional clone takes patience. Depending on the server load and the amount of audio you upload, it can take anywhere from a few hours to a few weeks to fully train your custom voice model. Also, if you only want to make short, funny meme videos or basic faceless content, the regular starter plan is more than enough. You really do not need to spend your budget on the professional tier for casual, everyday projects. However, if you treat YouTube as a serious business, if you want to publish 5 high-quality videos a week instead of just 1, if you want to automatically dub your channel into 32 different languages while maintaining your authentic personal brand, then professional voice cloning is the smartest operational investment you can possibly make. Do not just take my word for it, because you need to test it on your own voice. You can try ElevenLabs for free and get 10,000 credits every single month by using the link right down in the video description. Start experimenting completely for free to see if it actually matches your unique vocal style and delivery. If you use my link, it helps support the channel without adding any extra cost to you. Thank you so much for that support. This tool is not just about generating speech from text. It is about buying back your most valuable asset, which is your time. You are essentially cloning your own labor so you can focus on writing better scripts. Now that you have solved the high-speed voiceover problem, you need to automate the visual side of your content. If you want to complete this automated content machine, click on the video on the screen right now. I will show you exactly how I use AI to generate stunning video visuals in under 5 minutes.